So students, today we are going to deal with second part of speech, that is pronoun. So pronoun and types of pronoun. Pronoun Pronouns are generally classified into 9 types. Number 1, personal pronoun, पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम. Number 2, reflexive pronoun, आत्मवाचक सर्वनाम. Number 3, emphatic pronoun, परिणामवाचक सर्वनाम. Number 4, demonstrative pronoun, दर्शकवाचक सर्वनाम. Number 5, indefinite pronoun, अनिश्चितार्थी सर्वनाम. Number 6, distributive pronoun, विभाजक सर्वनाम. Number 7, relative pronoun, संबंधदर्शक सर्वनाम. Number 8, interrogative pronoun, प्रश्नवाचक सर्वनाम. And last, ninth number, exclamatory pronoun, उद्गारवाचक सर्वनाम. First one, personal pronoun. It stands for persons. There are 3 persons. First person, the speaker who is speaking. They are I, we. These are personal pronoun for first person, which are the speaker. Second person, the one spoken to, that is you. Third person, the one spoken about. They are he, she, it, they. Number 2, reflexive pronoun. When the action done by the subject affects or reacts or reflects upon the subject, they are called as reflexive pronoun. For example, I cut myself, she cut herself, we cut ourselves. Myself, ourselves, yourselves, himself, itself, themselves, etc. Number 3, emphatic pronoun. Personal pronouns used for emphasis. For example, I did it myself. We finished our homework ourselves. They have invented this themselves. Number 4, demonstrative pronoun. To show or demonstrate a thing or things which are close or distant one. For example, this for close and singular, that for distant and singular, these for close and plural, and those distant and plural. This is a car, that is a tree, these are bags, those are students. But when this, that, these, those comes with the noun, demonstrative pronouns become demonstrative adjectives. For example, this bag is new, that school is very famous. In this sentence, this as demonstrative pronoun comes with a noun, so this becomes demonstrative adjective which gives more information about this bag. That school, in this structure, that comes with noun, that is school, so that becomes demonstrative adjective for this school noun, so that it becomes demonstrative adjective. Number 5, indefinite pronoun, to denote persons or things in a general way. For example, all, some, few, many, somebody, nobody, everyone, none, etc. One must listen while other is speaking. Nobody was to help the patient. Number 6, distributive pronoun, to denote persons or things one at a time. These are always in singular number and followed by the verb for the singular. For example, each, either, neither, etc. Each of these students has completed homework. Either of these schools belong to government. Neither of you is failed in the examination. Each, either, neither plus noun, it works as an adjective. Neither book is bad to read. Either team is good. Neither school is bad. Number 7, relative pronoun, to join together two sentences. Who for human beings in nominative case, which for animals and inanimate things, whose for human beings in genitive case, whom for human beings in accusative case, and that, for example, this is the book which I want to read. In this structure, we can keep that word in place of which also. Then the sentence becomes, this is the book which that I want to read. The girl turned on the fan which was over her head. Here we can keep that word in place of which. The structure becomes, sentence becomes, the girl turned on the fan that was over her head. The teacher saw a student who was singing a poem. Here we can keep this the word that in bracket in place of who. Then structure becomes, the teacher saw a student that was singing a poem. Number 8. Interrogative pronoun. To ask questions who, whom, whose, which and what are used as interrogative pronouns. For example, what is your name? Who is this young boy? What is the problem? Whom did you call? Whose plus whose, what, which plus noun works as interrogative adjective. What things do you bring? Here, what, which is actually interrogative pronoun but comes with a noun, that is things, so this becomes interrogative adjective which gives more information about things. Whose book is this? In this sentence, whose comes with noun, that is book, so this interrogative pronoun whose becomes interrogative adjective which gives more information about this noun book. Last one, the exclamatory pronoun. A pronoun used as an exclamation is an exclamatory pronoun. What? Won't you see? What? Can you sing? So this is a detail about pronoun. Thank you.